I am Ram from Rising YoungStars, and today I'll be introducing you to loops in Python. So let's get started. As you can see, I have ready with the notebook, renamed everything. So let's start. We are ready. Okay, so in Python loops there are two types: while loop, for loop. But right now we'll be focusing on while loops. Okay, so in while loops there is one thing. It executes the set of statements, that's the program, as long as the given condition, any condition you're given, stands true. So let's start with a simple program. I'm already set with all the programs. I already practiced it and then set, just so that we don't waste time much on writing the program. So I'm just gonna copy paste it, okay, and then oops, there's something wrong here. Let's just delete this. Sorry. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is, so here is the first thing. I'll explain what this is. Okay, as you can see, this is the variable with the value, and then while is the function for while loop, and here I, that is 1, is smaller than or greater than 6, print I. So the condition here is, this is the condition you see after the while. This is the condition. The condition is we need to show the numbers between 1 to 5. As you know, 6 won't get included. We have already explained. And every time you add, you must increment the value with 1. So that's what is you mean by I plus is equal to 1. Let's run this. As you can see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it doesn't have to be just 6. It can be any number you like. Okay. Let's not waste any more time and let's just move to the next thing. Okay. And one more thing to remember is to increment I. That is the statement you see, I plus is equal to 1. That's what they mean. Or else the loop will continue forever if this is not there. So that's mandatory. The while loop requires proper variables which should be ready and should be given. And with you need, and yeah, this I plus is equal to 1 needs to be there. Okay, that's all. I guess this is enough for this. And the next we're going to learn the break statement. See, with the break statement, what you can do is you give the break command and you give till where you want to stop it. Like for example, in this program, you have it, and you just, there's an extra break command till where you want to stop it. This one. Sorry. Okay, and the command, I plus is equal to 1. So I plus is equal to 1. This is mandatory. Or if you want to increment the value by 2 also, you can do that. Okay, so break. So here we need an if statement which says when the value of I reaches to 3, you must break, you must stop the program. Okay, let's see. There's something wrong in this program. Just a second, guys. I'll just delete this and then redo it. Okay. Yeah, this should work right now. Okay. And then Control V. And yeah, so this is the code. Let's run this. Oops. Okay, so basically you just use the if statement here. So the if statement comes here. Okay, if I is equal to 3, then you must break. The command is break here, So this is the correct code itself. You don't know, it's not running properly because of lack of internet connection. And this command is mandatory, okay, don't forget this, guys. And it's completely correct. It's not running right here. Sorry, I'll try to fix the issue. Okay, let's just continue. Okay, now as we have seen the break statement, let's see the continue statement. Okay, so in the continue statement it's the same thing, okay. So I is equal to 1, that's what we gave, and then while I, because it's the variable we have given, right, is smaller than, you want, okay, 10 may be the same, we'll take, and then the colon, print I, because the value we need to, that needs to be executed, okay. And if statement, right, if I is equal to 5, so this is the given condition, okay. And I'll tell you what will happen before we execute the program. And then continue, because this is the continue statement, okay. I plus is equal to 1, I plus is equal to 1, okay. Let's run this, hope it runs. Okay, it's not running. So basically what will happen here is it'll keep incrementing like this, okay, and after it increments, when it reaches 5, it'll skip 5 and go. So that's what it does, it continues after 5 leaving 5, okay. That's what the continue statement does. So we know the continue statement now, and I have given you an example. And the next else statement, okay. So right now we saw the if statement, now we are going to see the else statement, okay. So I have written the code. I had internet issues, so I thought, let me not just waste time. Anyways, I would get disconnected. Okay, so this is the code. So we just put an else statement here, okay. So I plus equal to 1, and basically when it reaches 5, the code is exactly same as the first code we did, this one, right? You see this? It's exactly same, but an extra fitting is the else statement, okay. It's nothing, not that different, okay. So okay, let's see if this runs. Okay, it doesn't run. Okay, we'll just put the same thing here in the first line, okay, enter, and then the else statement, else print condition not true, okay, or you can put anything what you wish. Okay, it's not working, but it's the same thing. See, you see here, it's the same thing. Yeah, I just changed the value over here, okay, and then that's it. And then with this you can do a lot of stuff, okay. You can find out, you can increment, you can decrement, you can do anything you want with this, okay. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.